so you're gonna draw a snake.
Yeah, to celebrate Chinese New Year.
Yeah, because it's the year of the snake.
Yeah, we hope you're gonna follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first start with our snake's mouth, and we're gonna draw a really happy snake. Just draw the letter U in the middle. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a circle on both sides of the smile, the same size.
He's gonna be so happy.
Yeah, really happy. Then we're gonna draw a smaller circle in the top left of each eye, and then color in the big circle, but leave the little circle white. Next, we're gonna draw our snake's head, and I'm gonna start here next to the eye, just slightly above it, and we're gonna curve out, and then around, and then we're gonna curve back. See how at the top of the head, kind of curving in, almost like you're gonna make an oval shape for the head. Yeah, there you go. Now let's draw the traditional Chinese hat. And we're gonna draw it curving out from the side like this. And then we're gonna curve over, and then we're gonna curve back in. So we're making this really squished oval shape. I went back over it just like that to smooth out some of the lines. Now let's go straight up from the middle of our snake's face, and we're going to draw a guide point. And we're going to add a corner, or a sharp corner, a sharp point right here in the middle for the traditional hat. Then we can also draw a little ball at the top. And let's also draw a string connecting underneath our snake's chin. Yeah. There we go. There's our little snake. Now let's draw the body and also give him a little jacket. We're going to draw the body coming down. I'm going to draw it like this, 2 lines coming down from the chin. And then we can connect those 2 lines together with a curve. And we're going to draw our snake coiled up. So let's also draw a coil coming around and connecting to the other side. Then let's draw another layer to the coil. I'm going to curve around and come back in over here. I love your drawing. Okay, then we're going to draw the tail sticking out to the side and curving up. And then we'll start at the top and we'll curve back down and get wider or further away. Okay, let's give our little snake a traditional jacket. We're going to draw a curving like this, or a diagonal line coming in and then curving down. Then we're going to draw another line matching that one. Then we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines connecting right here. And we did it! We finished drawing our snake, our Chinese New Year snake, and it looks really cool, except we still need to
color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, but remember you can pause the video at the end if you want to use our drawings as inspiration. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little snake, and it turned out so awesome. I especially love yours. You added eyelashes and also that cute little heart.
I like your lantern.
Ah, thanks. Now you guys can pause the video to match your same coloring or even color it any way you want.
You can also add a background.
Oh yeah, you could draw fireworks. That would be awesome.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your Chinese New Year snake.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. Parents, did you know we have a membership at artforkidshub.tv? It's ad-free, distraction-free, and includes exclusive lessons, printables, and even offline viewing through our app. It's a fun and safe way to keep creating together as a family. Visit artforkidshub.tv to learn more and sign up today.